Realme is steadily building its ecosystem products in India, making strides in categories other than smartphones. The Chinese electronics maker launched its debut tablet, the RealmePad, with a price starting at Rs 14,000 for the 3GB 32GB model, and it is an entry-level Android operating system based tablet. With a big screen, quad speaker setup and Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity, the RealmePad seems to be impressive tablet for people on the go, especially for learning and entertainment purpose. So after using it for almost 2 weeks, I have made a list of 5 points, 5 things you must know before buying this tablet. So do watch the video till the end to know all the 5 points, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. RealmePad has a great design with a metallic finish all around. It is loosely identical to the iPad, but Realme has tried to maintain some distinction. The design looks amazing, and because of that the RealmePad does not look cheap at all. But Realme has not provided a cover for the tablet, and this I think may be a problem for people concerned about big screens. I had purchased a flip cover for this tablet, but after putting the flip cover, it becomes heavy to handle. Talking about the screen, the RealmePad has a 10.4-inch 2K display with a great brightness levels. The tablet can get really bright, which is why I did not face any issues watching my favorite shows on this particular tablet. The display is also good for looking at documents and large enough to fit the windows of many people on Zoom call. And I think the bezels look outdated, but at the same time they give room for thumb when holding it so that the display is not obscured. RealmePad uses a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, which is good enough for budget phones. A tablet with this processor can also perform light tasks such as online learning, document viewing, online reading and watching some shows on it. This processor also allows light gaming on the tablet, but the experience is not going to be very enjoyable. The tablet comes with the Android 11 software with a Realme UI for pad skin, and the software experience on this tablet is good. On the back of the RealmePad is an 8-megapixel camera. It just does the job of clicking photos because the photos look fuzzy and lack detail. But it is going to be good for video calls. Similarly, the 8-megapixel camera on the front is also good for video calls, which means it is good for grandparents who like to stay in touch with their families from afar, or for your children who are learning from online classes. So RealmePad has a huge 7100 mAh of battery, and this is huge one, and it works accordingly. The tablet can easily last 2 to 3 days with a normal usage and 1 day with a heavy usage. It comes with an 18-watt charging support, which charges the tablet a little bit faster. So to conclude with, if you have a budget of 14 to 16 or 18,000, you can buy this tablet. Otherwise, if you can still increase your budget, you have an option of Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite at 25k or 30k, or even you can invest further and go for the Apple iPad 9th generation tablet. So this is my review regarding this tablet. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.